one of the most important things for us to understand here is if we're going through some kind of consolidation and supply is actually increasing and supply actually is more than the demand for some period of time, and as Bruce has stated, there is less of the progression to the downside by the price, then as the price still holds on to its overall uptrending gains, and now we have the highest close in this environment, then how would we interpret this volume signature? Maybe what we're doing is we are absorbing that supply that had occurred in this structure. And in a way, could we have a vertical absorption here? And maybe that's what's so confusing about specifically even today. Why is it such a high volume signature with the smallest spread, with no extension, even though this is the highest close? Could we possibly go through the vertical absorption as we go and we attack the August high? And with that, we kind of maybe like doing something like this, where on higher volume signature, we're still advancing, and that is the emergence of the demand that is absorbing the supply that occurred in this structure. So I'm really curious about that, Bruce.
Well, and we had talked weeks ago about the best scenario that we could hope for would be a rally up to resistance, into the vicinity of resistance, and then a tight sideways trading range that can't give up ground. And I believe that's really what we've been doing since late March. I mean, think about it. We've been in this structure here for 2 months. Long time. And what's the progress of price one way or the other? There is none. It's just sideways. But there is an attempt to push up to minor new highs and higher lows here, especially as we get into the late stages of this little structure, which I think has all the characteristics of a reaccumulation back to late March. You could almost like maybe do an hourly or half hourly chart of this, and it would look like reaccumulation. And so this would be, now what we need to see is resolution with the ability to be able to move easily and possibly on less volume